about this event, but I'm the MC of this event. Thank you! My name is Rajiv Banerjee and I'm very excited to be in front of you. My name is also Raj. नाम तो सुना ही होगा आपने. Are you guys excited? Because I am. क्या आप मेरे साथ दोहराएंगे? क्या आप मेरे साथ दोहराएंगे जब मैं बोलूं? बुरा न मानो. बुरा न मानो. बुरा न मानो. Okay. Hello, I'm going to formally welcome you, all of you, my fellow residents, mere dost, my neighbors, and all the people from neighboring towns. Welcome to Fairlawn Holi, the year of 2026. आप सभी का दिल से स्वागत है. I welcome you from the core of my heart. A big shout out to each and everyone whose presence has made the Holi possible year after year. आपकी मौजूदगी ही इस त्योहार में रंग से भर देती है. This year is extra special. Why? Because we are celebrating the 5th year of Holi as a community. 5 साल हो गए दोस्तों. See, if Holi were a kid 5 years back, she would have been going to kindergarten. If Holi were a Netflix series 5 years back, you would have binge watched it already. Okay, so looks like the 5 years was a trial period for Holi and Fairlawn. Now it's over. It's a lifetime subscription. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. You know why, right? Year after year, if only brought more smiles and more colors to our life. There is a hashtag called #HoliMoliFairlawn. Please share your pictures, your whatever you're doing here, just do it. Now I'm going to thank the town leadership. We're truly blessed to be the part of such an inclusive and supporting community. I'm deeply grateful to township leadership, how they embrace this celebration. Without the support of town council, their openness, their willingness and commitment to inclusion, a town-wide Holi at this level is totally impossible. A heartfelt thank to Deputy Mayor Mr. Josh Ranage. If he's here, it'll be great. Councilwoman Mr. Joe Baldowski, Councilwoman Mrs. Natalie Salinas. Hopefully I'm taking your name correctly. Please forgive me for if I am not.
Where do you want them, down or up, right?
Please join your hands for all of them. A big round of applause. So I want to please join your hands for Mr. Josh. We want to hear a few words from him which will add color to this event. Please join your hand for Mr. Josh.
Guys, I know everybody's very excited to play color, and I would want everybody to please join us here to welcome our Deputy Mayor. He has come up for us, so please, if you all can surround us over here, we can take pictures later and play color later.
Good afternoon, Fairlawn. Welcome. Thank you, everyone, for being here. On behalf of Councilman Joseph Baldowski and Councilwoman Natalie Salinas, it's my honor to be here on behalf of the council. The mayor will be here later. She asked me to share this proclamation, so on behalf of the mayor, Whereas Holi is known as the Festival of Colors and is a vibrant and joyous celebration that marks the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. And whereas Holi is rooted in ancient Hindu traditions and is celebrated by millions of people around the world, promoting unity, renewal, and the spirit of togetherness. Whereas the celebration of Holi is characterized by music, dance, festive foods, and the playful throwing of colored powders, symbolizing the beauty and diversity of life. Whereas Holi brings communities, families together, regardless of background, fostering friendship, reconciliation, and celebration. It is therefore our honor as the Borough of Fair Lawn Council and Mayor Christina Catrone to proclaim that today, April 26th, is Holi Festival of Colors Day in the Borough of Fair Lawn. In a world where there's way too much darkness creeping in, it's really a joy to see everyone here bringing the light and the color and goodwill triumph over evil. Thank you all for having us.
Thank you so much. If you could share a few words with us, we'd be very honored.
Hello everyone, I am Bergen County Commissioner Tracy Zer. It is such a joy to celebrate with you. It might be a little gray outside, but the colors and the love and the vibrancy of today really is contagious. I hope that this is something that not just is for the celebration of Holi, but is something that continues to light the path for all of us in Bergen County. So enjoy, have a wonderful celebration, and also thank you to all the amazing volunteers who made this happen. We need more folks who are rolling up their sleeves to build community, and this day is really a testament to the wonderful community you've built here in Fair Lawn. Enjoy, everyone.
Thank you so much.
That people play with. Let me get the drum rolling. Rahul Dogra. मेरे गांव का है एक ही छोकरा, उसका नाम है राहुल डोगरा. ये लड़का है बहुत भोला, आया है लेके अपना ढोला. राहुल हो जाए, एक तूफान हो जाए. 1 minute. Okay, let me introduce the force behind this event, the chairperson of Holi Committee, Isha Shah, who has stood firmly behind all the Holi events. She is really motivating. Please hear from her.
Thank you so much for such an amazing dhol, Rahul, and thank you, Raj, for such a great introduction. Happy Holi Fair Lawn. What a ride it has been. I have been a part of Fair Lawn Holi since day one, from being a volunteer to the event chair and to our community's voice in CRC committee. And today we are celebrating 5 years of Holi as a town tradition. Everyone, I want to say this milestone belongs to you. Thank you for every single person who shows up with love for this festival. Because of you, we are here celebrating 5 years of color, music, and community. Holi isn't just an Indian festival anymore. It is a festival of Fair Lawn, right? This event has brought our Indian community together and our entire Fair Lawn family together in true spirit of inclusivity. I'm proud of the culture which I was born in, which has taught the world inclusion. And I'm even prouder of being the resident of the town, which is a living example of inclusivity. Holi is about love, friendship, and spring, and I feel it every year. From art gallery to dance practices to youth team arranging all the games and activities to late night planning, I always feel like this festival brings everybody so close and strengthens our bond. Now for some thank yous. To Mayor Christina Coutron, you started it all. Thank you for supporting the idea of Holi in Fairlawn. Right from it was just a seed till today, with all the support for the community. To Deputy Mayor Josh Reynolds, Councilman Joe Boldowski, Councilwoman Natalie Salinas, to our Commissioner Tracy, thank you for being here to celebrate with us today. To our Borough of Fairlawn, Kurt Peluso, for constant support. My friend Liz Mariska for making the planning so easy for us. To the Parks team, Scooter, thank you. And now, the unseen, unpaid, and slightly overworked crew at Holi headquarters. My husband, Dhawal Hedao, and my darlings, Shravya and Arna. Thank you for not evicting me from February to April every year while our house becomes the ground zero for Holi planning. Your patient deserves a lot of gulal. And above all, thank you God. Like it is said in Srimad Bhagavatam, Mukham karoti vachalam, pangun langhayate girim, yad krupatamaham vande, paramanandam madhavam, which means His mercy turns the dumb into eloquent and enables the lame to cross mountains. Today, we have crossed a big mountain with the weather and achieving the 5-year milestone. Let's cross one more full mountain filled with color. Are you guys ready to play Holi?